Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get double traits in Anime Last Stand, which is a method that boosts your character's abilities by combining two traits. So this trick can give you a huge advantage early on. So to get the double traits, first of all, you need to make sure that your character is level 15 and above, since trait upgrades unlock around that level. Then you need to head to the traits menu and reset your current trait. This gives you a free trait reset token. You can use the reset token, then immediately re-roll your trait twice in the quick succession. If you are lucky, the second roll may trigger the game glitch that assigns a double trait instead of one. Another method is to combine trait rewards from the events. Sometimes during limited time events or update drops, the game offers holiday or the special crates that guarantee two traits instead of one. You need to keep an eye on the events tab and participate in the weekend events or the limited crates. So these often drop double trait items. Now, if neither method worked, some players report that using exactly two trait boost portion before re-rolling increasing the chances of getting the double traits. The potions temporarily raise the traits rarity rolls, which may glitch into the awarding two traits at once. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.